Welcome! Get ready to witness ink dip pen magic. Today, Zero will be drawing 4 vampire skulls while I share some fascinating vampire facts. Did you know that vampires have been part of folklore for centuries? The idea dates back to ancient Mesopotamia and Greece, where tales of blood-feeding creatures first emerged. Many cultures believed vampires were reanimated corpses, often described as pale and gaunt with sharp teeth ready to bite. Bram Stoker's Dracula from 1897 is a key work that shaped modern vampire lore. It introduced tropes like fear of sunlight and the transformation into bats, influencing countless stories. In Eastern Europe, it was believed that a vampire could arise from unnatural deaths or curses. Rituals like staking the body were performed to prevent the dead from rising again. These skulls tell their own stories, much like the legends of vampires that captivate us. They symbolize mystery and fear across cultures. Vampires in folklore are often depicted with several common characteristics, including 1. The most defining trait, vampires are known for feeding on the blood of the living. 2. Many folklore vampires are said to live indefinitely, often retaining their youth and vitality as long as they continue to feed. 3. Vampires are frequently portrayed as being harmed or weakened by sunlight. 4. In various cultures, vampires are said to be repelled by symbols of faith, such as crosses, holy water, or sacred relics. 5. Many vampires can transform into bats, wolves, or mist, allowing them to escape or approach their victims unnoticed. And there you have it. 4 vampire skulls, each with a piece of history. Tell us your favorite vampire story in the comments. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. We're a small channel and we appreciate your support. Thanks for taking the time to watch.